Welcome back to another video on this beautiful day in January. And I bought some parts for the roof, for the front of the roof, these aluminium angles, which should be weatherproof, so that's good. And I'm going to try and work in the lamps today also, and the rest of the panels. Also, I'm going to try to make the panels sit nice and flush with the base construction, which you'll see later. At the moment, the base construction is slightly too high on the right hand side, so I'm going to bring that down a bit, make it sit nice and flush. Also try to get that swoop into the roof lining, and see where we're at the end of the day. So let's get cracking. Oh, better. So I'm just going to cut a little spacer, get this wooden panel, get it to come slightly lower. So what I need is something really thin. Let's try that. So I'll put these spaces now in between the panels, between the planks, so they come down slightly more. So now they sit really flush with the edge of the roof. So hopefully the panels, they should align nicely now. Also, what I had to do is I cut these slightly too short, and because I need to bring in for the last panel, I need to screw that one also into the wooden planks, and I cut them slightly too short, so I just stuck another piece of wood in there, so I have something to put my screw in, which isn't ideal, but it works for now. So here's my lamp. So that's where my negative is coming from. And that's where my power is coming from. So we need to hook these up, and then drill a hole in the panels. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna measure these drill bits. $55, 50. Yeah, that should be nice. That should work nicely. see if we can get the last one in here. Okay. So I'm trying to make this piece work here, which is going to seal off the front. We'll have to screw this in place like this probably. I think it has to wait another day because it's getting quite dark now. So yeah, it's looking pretty neat with the two lamps also in the front. So now I just need to blend it off there in the front. Something that should be doable with these pieces of aluminium though, which I bought. Yeah, but quite happy with the look so far.